PermaSURE is a risk assessment toxicity modeler app that is available as a free download from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Before you can use the app, you will need to register for an account at respirex.permasure.com. Once the app is installed and your account has been authorized, you can open the app and log in. When you first log in, you are presented with a splash screen with an introduction to Respirex and PermaSURE. Simply tap Enter to access the modeler. The first step is to select your suit from the list of compatible Chemprotex garments. If required, you can adjust the suit temperature and the surface area of the suit that will be exposed to the chemical before tapping Next. To choose the chemical you are working with, start typing its name or CAS number, and PermaSURE will bring up a list of matching chemicals from its database. Scroll through the list and select the specific chemical required. You can adjust the temperature of the chemical. Check for synonyms and view more detailed hazard information before tapping Next to get to the assessment screen. If everything is correct, tap Calculate, and PermaSURE will calculate the maximum safe working time for your suit with the chosen chemical. If the chosen suit doesn't provide sufficient protection, or you want to compare the result with other Chemprotex garments, tap Find Safer Garment, and PermaSURE will calculate the safe working time for every Chemprotex suit and display the results.